Here's a headline you don't hear too often. If you like to spray on your deodorant in your car, don't smoke while you're doing it. Take a look what happened to a man's car in the Gwynn Oak area. We're told he was using an aerosol body spray, lit a cigarette, sparked a pretty big explosion, the windows down. The explosion caused a loud boom, damaged the car, shook a nearby building as well. The man was just walking around when officers arrived, but he was taken to the hospital. He did have some serious injuries thanks to that explosion, and the car that was sitting next to his was also damaged.